5 aspects of the finality of the institution of prophethood and messenger of Allah. Number 1, he is the only messenger of Allah sent for the whole of humanity. This is based on the advance of technology and science. Because now the whole world has really become one. The whole humanity can really be gathered under one banner. Before Muhammad, it was impossible. The distances were great. How could the message of Abraham reach China? Impossible. But now it had become possible. Number 2, the Hudan, فَإِمَّا يَأْتِيَنَّكُم مِّنِّي Hudan, that Hudan became Al-Huda, total guidance. Why? Because now the humanity had become enough mature intellectually that it could be given the total and eternal guidance. Before that, it couldn't be given. I shall refer to a quotation of Bible, inshallah, tomorrow. That's very important regarding this point. Thirdly, he was given the Deenul Haq, the whole complete system of life. Because now the social evolution of humanity has reached a level when actually a total life system of life, the concept of a system of life that had emerged. And now it was the necessity that a total system of life be given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 4, he not only preached it theoretically, he not only described the politico-socio-economic system of Islam in his book, he actually established it so that it couldn't be said that it is impracticable. It's very good. It sounds very nice. Oh, it's very beautiful. But it's impracticable. It can't be implemented. It can't be established. No, he established it. Number 5, the process of establishment of Deen of Allah, that was not through miracles. The miracle of Muhammad is Quran, and Quran is preserved, that he gave to his ummah when he departed. He said in the last sermon on the departing Hajj, قَدْ تَرَكْتُ فِيكُمْ مَا إِنْ اعْتَصَمْتُمْ بِهِ لَنْ تَضِلُّوا أَبَدًا كِتَابُ اللَّهِ. O Muslims, I am departing. He said during that Hajj that I don't think we shall be able to meet again here. خُذُوا أَنِّي مَنَاسِكَكُمْ فَإِنِّي مَقْبُوضٌ. Learn from me this manasik of Hajj, because I am going to be maqboos. My life, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala take it. So in the end he said, although I am departing, but I am not living with you without any support. Well, this was my miracle. Quran, have it. You have it. The miracle of Moses was asa. It was a miracle only when it was in the hands of Moses. Otherwise it was just a stick, a piece of wood, nothing else. The shining hand was with the life of Moses. All the miracles of Jesus were limited to him. They couldn't be transmitted to people. But the miracle of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is Quran. And that he gave. Take it. Because you have to continue this mission after me. I have conveyed to you, you have to convey it to the humanity at large. I have established this system of Deenul Haq in this Arabian Peninsula. You have to establish it over the whole of the earth. So you know, this is my miracle, this is my instrument.